In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix. If you're rearranging your page to improve flow or highlight important content, moving entire sections is one of the fastest ways to get a clean, logical layout. Sections are the big horizontal blocks that stack down your page, each one holding text, images, galleries, or other elements. The key is to select the section itself, not just something inside it, and then use the built-in controls to shift it up or down. Start by clicking the section you want to move. Click on an empty area of that section rather than on a button, image, or text box inside it. When the section is properly selected, you'll see its bounding outline and section-specific controls. If you clicked an inner element by accident, just click once on the edge of that element, then click again on an empty spot of the section until the whole section is highlighted. Zooming out slightly can also help you see the entire section if it's tall or packed with content. Once the section is selected, look toward the bottom right corner of the section. You'll see two small arrows, one pointing up and one pointing down. These are the move controls for the section. They only appear when the section itself is selected. So if you don't see them, click again on the section background to reselect it. These arrows move the entire block as a unit. Content, background, and spacing, so you don't have to realign anything manually. Now, simply click the down arrow to move the section down the page, or click the up arrow to move it up. Each click shifts the section one position at a time relative to the sections around it. If you need to move it several spots, click repeatedly, pausing a moment between clicks so the editor can update the layout. As the section moves, the surrounding sections will automatically adjust to close gaps and maintain spacing. Headers and footers remain fixed, so you're only affecting the main content stack. After moving, give the page a quick scan from top to bottom to confirm the order makes sense and that any backgrounds or white space still look intentional. If something feels too tight or too spread out, adjust the spacing within the involved sections so the transitions feel smooth. It's also a good idea to switch to mobile view and confirm the new order still supports your goals, since section order affects mobile layout as well. That's all there is to it. Select the section, find the up and down arrows at the bottom right, and click to move it exactly where you want it.